wear red dress and red glasses, red shoes. So all of a sudden, the cat jumped and scratched her face, and her hands. Utterly terrified, the girl killed the cat. A few weeks later, lost and the girl split up.
Oh, such a sad ending. Did you like that one, Kevin? Do you like movies with sad endings? No. Okay. Kevin and Ku, over to you.
It's a short story. One day, Ross is eating his breakfast in the kitchen, which is located in Shanghai town, and all of a sudden, a cat disappeared in the kitchen and suddenly jumped onto the table. Without hesitation, Ross kills the cat with a knife. Or axe, with an axe. And then, utterly terrified by the blood all around the kitchen. And a few weeks later, the cat ghost goes to paradise.
Wow, that was a very interesting film, Kevin.
And no longer able to jump on the table, the cat lives happily in the heaven.
Wow. That was amazing. I think I liked yours the most. It sounded like a horror movie, I think, with this cat in two halves going to heaven. All right, thank you for your movies. I was listening to you when you were talking and writing. These are 5 things that you said. 3 of them are correct. 2 of them are correct. 3 of them have mistakes. What I'd like you to do is take 1 minute, look at them, think which bits are right, which bits are wrong, and after 1 minute you can come up and change them. Okay? Kevin, how many are right?
3.
That was my fault. I told you 2. Yes, 2. And how many are wrong? 3. And what do you have to think about, Alice?
Which one is wrong and which one is
Good. And also how to correct them. Okay, I'll give you 1 minute. Think, and then we'll... Okay, I think that's wrong enough. Why?
It happened in the past time.
Thank you, Barry. Okay.
It's fun.
What is this then? What does it mean? It means...
Oh, bite.
Yeah, but it's in the... Okay, so what's the past of bite? Bit. So it's...
Right.
Right, okay.
Without a description, loss can be cut.
Good. So, okay. And the last one?
Is no longer to
Is or... What? Yeah. Why was? Why is was better than is? Okay, and we're telling that happened in the past. Okay, fantastic. That is 12:30. I'm going to give you a sheet of paper. What I think can be a big help to you is if you just draw the dots on this, above these words, and you can remember when you leave. Okay? So and if you don't do it, you will no longer be able to say these words correctly. Okay, I'll give you 1 minute to do that. There you go. Off you. It's okay.
We will try to draw a circle.
With that station to the circle. Okay, before we go, because we've already run out of time, what I'd like you to do is I'm going to give you the board eraser. Just come up to the board and say one thing that you learned and use it to make a sentence. So for example, you could say, all of a sudden, after Ross's class, I was able to speak English perfectly. And you can just erase it. Okay? Who'd like to go first?
Ross answered all questions we asked without hesitation.
All of a sudden, it's my turn.
My turn. A few weeks later, I will go to Shandong. One day I go watch a dog.
No longer able to waste time.
How do you feel right now, Kevin?
Terrified.
I feel utterly terrified.
All right. Well done, everyone. Thank you very much for coming to class.
Thank you.